Safety guidelines for office staff. A company standard operating procedure is created to ensure a clean and safe environment for all our employees. The procedure is in accordance with the government guidelines and it is advised all employees strictly follow them. Our safety preparedness will be in 3 phases. Phase 1, the pre-lockdown planning and design phase. A detailed safety procedure is outlined for the contract, retailer and management staff. COVID-19 preventive materials will be available and adequately stocked for employees in all offices. SOP training and related communication is implemented in all offices. Deep sanitization and preventive maintenance is being done in all offices. Phase 2, post-lockdown, limited employee return. Limited number of employees will be called to office as per the employee classification exercise done by the company. The classification will be based on factors such as health, age, zoning, criticality of the job, mode of travel, or any other issues faced by the employee. Employee return will be as per the percentage mentioned in the government guidelines in this phase. Phase 3, post-lockdown, almost all employee return. Phase 3 will be a situation where the COVID-19 threat is significantly reduced. In this phase, employee staffing will be gradually increased as per the government guidelines. Employee safety and hygiene protocols. Each employee will submit a declaration form confirming their health status prior to joining office. Each employee will be screened for temperature daily at the office entrance. If detected with temperature, employee will be requested to return home immediately. All assistance will be given by the office if the employee requires help. Employees are requested to not report to work if they are unwell, and the same should be intimated to the reporting manager. Employees are requested to download the Arogya Setu app and the same will be checked daily at the office entrance. All employees must wear a mask before entering office. Employees are requested to not crowd in the office elevator and stand as per the floor markings. Employees are requested to sanitize or wash their hands thoroughly before and after entering office. Employees are requested to minimize contact to any surface. Employees are requested to dispose masks and gloves in the designated disposable bins only. Personal hygiene protocols that all employees must follow. Avoid touching your face. Avoid handshakes. Wash your hands multiple times a day. If you need to cough or sneeze, do so on your elbow. Sanitize your workstations multiple times a day, including laptop, mobile phone, stationery, etc. Social distancing protocol. Workstations will be allocated as per the 6 feet social distancing norm to all the employees. Workstation barriers will be installed for all employees in all offices. Employees are requested to use the washroom facility in an orderly manner, maintaining the 6 feet social distancing norm. All employees must maintain the social distancing norm in the lunchroom. All employees must maintain the social distancing norm in the conference and training rooms. Office policy. Outstation travel is restricted for all employees. Any emergency traveling will require permission from the Chief People Officer and the reporting manager. Visitors are not allowed in the office premises until further notice. All employees are requested to use the video calling facility or telephone calls to conduct meetings. Each office will create a list of do's and don'ts which every employee must adhere to. SOP internal audit. The location HR will conduct daily audits and will ensure the SOPs are followed in the office. In this difficult time, please ensure you take care of your emotional and mental well-being. Exercise. improve your nutrition, and build your immunity. For any query, reach out to our health and wellness expert at kishore.madhwani@gmail.com. And for any other assistance, please do reach out to your human resources personnel. Our safety processes are audited by Bureau Veritas.